What's up, you guys? GMB here, and I'm going to teach you how to make an airsoft grenade using a speed loader, a water balloon, airsoft BBs, and a balloon pump. You can use your mouth if you want, but I recommend this because it's easier, and you can just fill it with air. So first, you fill the speed loader with BBs. I already did that. I don't know if you can see. And then you attach the balloon like so. Just like that. You should hold it so you can push it down. Now some speed loaders, there's a button. It's like a plastic container, and you push them in. I recommend this one, so you can just take a stick and push it in. So you're going to want to use 75 to 100 BBs. And you fill it with more. One more round. So your balloon should look like this. Now it doesn't pop so easily, so I would recommend filling it with a lot of air so it pops. And filling it with a lot of BBs. I just woke up, so I'm in my pajamas. That's why I look like crap. Fill it. Now if you don't know how to tie a balloon, you can scotch tape it, but since I know how to tie it, I'm going to tie it. This is what it should look like. Right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to test it. See if it pops. I'm going to throw it at my Legos. I don't know, yeah, see, it barely popped. So what I'm going to do is, but that's because I just threw it at my wall. So, you know, if you're in the woods or outside, it'll probably pop, and it hurts, trust me. So I'm going to throw it. As you can see, they went everywhere, and one hit me in the arm. It kind of hurt. So yeah, give it a try, and good luck. See ya.